Hello students, let's try to understand the questions of hydrocarbon. What the question is, draw Newman and Sahar's projection for the eclipse and staggered conformation of ethane. Okay, which of these conformation is most stable and why? Okay, that is stability also we have to check. Okay, so if you talk about the Newman and Sahar's projection, they are represented differently, student. Okay, so let us try to understand firstly what is the conformation. Conformation in which hydrogen atom attached to two carbon are aligned exactly behind the hydrogen of the first carbon as the projection of its bond with the hydrogen atom is called eclipsed conformation. If it is the immediate behind, it is called eclipse conformation. And conformation in which hydrogen atom are far apart as possible is known as the staggered conformation. It means see, for two carbon atom are there and there are hydrogen. If these hydrogen atom are very close, if these hydrogen atom are very close, that is called eclipse. But if they are the different, no, so this is going to be staggered, student. It can be more clear with this diagram. See, the eclipse one is very close to each other. Eclipse is very close and staggered is far different. So this is what here in the first case, here this is the diagram is little bit wrong. Okay, this is wrong. This is the staggered and here is eclipsed, or it can be okay, means what the carbon should be immediate behind. Okay, so if it is the immediate behind of the first carbon, this is going to be eclipsed. This carbon if you are talking about, it is okay, correct one. This is the immediate behind with this carbon. If you place it on, this is immediate behind, so eclipsed. But if you are placing this one, this will take the position here, this hydrogen will take position here, this hydrogen will take position here. So you can see this is the staggered one, far difference. So here the definition you can read out again, student. Okay, the conformation in which hydrogen atom attached to the two carbon are aligned exactly behind the hydrogen of first carbon H projection of its bond with H atom is called the eclipse conformation, and conformation in which hydrogen are far apart as possible is known as staggered conformation. So Sahar's projection of eclipse and staggered conformation are given, where you can see that exactly behind the one hydrogen, that is what the eclipse, and far away, that is staggered. Stability order, these are very close, so this is repulsion, so eclipse in unstable, and here it is far away, so it is going to be what, it is going to be stable. Now come for this one here, Newman projection for the eclipse and staggered conformation. Comparing the stability between the staggered and eclipse conformation, how can you compare? So among the staggered and eclipse conformation of ethane, staggered conformation is more stable than the eclipse conformation. What is the reason? In staggered from the ethane, the electron cloud of carbon hydrogen bond are as far apart as possible. Thus, there are minimum repulsive force, minimum energy, torsional strength, and maximum stability of the molecule. So that is why this is going to be what? That is, you are saying what? More stable. No repulsion, na? So more stable. Whereas when is staggered from change into eclipse form, the electron cloud of the carbon hydrogen bond come closer to each other and resulting in the increase in the electron cloud repulsion. Thus, the staggered form has the least torsional strength and eclipse form have the maximum torsional strength. This is what the answer. Now, so this is what the answer is, student. I hope it will be easy to you to understand. Thank you very much for watching.